Yes! This looks so hilarious. I'm gonna poke my eye out with these nails. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing a brand new brand from one of my friends here on YouTube. His name is Alijah Storms, and he created his own brand. Clearly I am impressed. I love his formula. They are so beautiful and blendable and buttery soft and just so opaque upon first application. I didn't have to build any of these up. They went right on my eye. It was ridiculous. So as of right now, I do have his palette. It is called the Iconic Palette, and it is by Alijah Storm Cosmetics. Before I show you it, let me just tell you a little bit about his brand. So they have a lot of new stuff happening. There's a lot of things in the work for this brand. If you guys do end up getting this palette, you can use my code Keara, Keara, for 10% off. I do not make any money from this. It is just to save you guys money. So without further ado, let me show you guys this. But first, it is called the Iconic Palette because this is full of icons we have all heard of and grown to love or hate. And right here on the front, you can see all of their catchphrases. The tea is real, shady, self-made, I just can't even, let's keep it at 100. Just for size comparison, just let me show you this up against the coveted Blue Blood palette. Now it is not as thick, obviously, but size-wise, they are exactly the same. They both have 18 shades in them. So it is cruelty-free. Here are the shades, you guys. Now look at all of these names. There is James, Trisha, Nikita, Jenna, Jeffrey, Kay, which is Kylie, Jacqueline, Patrick, Rich, Laura, Tana, Stone, which is Alexis Stone. He actually recreates a ton of people's looks on his Instagram. They are phenomenal. Shane, Gabriel, Jackie, Manny, Ryan Potter, who is an up-and-coming beautiful makeup artist, and Nikki, which is this beautiful rose gold color. You guys, I do have swatches. Let me go ahead and post them here. And I will show you some individual shades as well, because this pigment, are you serious? This is ridiculous. Let's do James. James is white, by the way. Flashback Mary. Let's do Trisha. She's a beautiful gold. Jenna is a ridiculous red. Let's do Gabriel, because Gabriel is my favorite color in the palette. You guys. Holy crap. Trisha is gorgeous. And yes, I do use Trisha in a look. If you guys are interested in seeing how this palette performed and the two looks that I did create with it, then just keep watching. I'm so excited. These colors look beautiful. I've heard nothing but good things about it, so I'm going straight in with Gabriel, you guys. Holy shiz. Look at this purple. Yes! It's beautiful. This is like my kind of purple. Well. Holy poop. Jeez. What is happening on my eye right now? Do you guys see this? What is going on? Do you see that pigment? Okay. I can't stop looking at my eye, y'all. I don't know what's going on here. This is ridiculous. All right, I'm just going to build up the layers here, and I'm going in with Jackie, and then I am going in with Nikita on top of that. Right now I'm just going to soften all of this up and just blend it all out with a nice clean brush. I have cut my crease. Now we are just going to add in these gradients, and I am going to start with this dark purple here, Gabriel, and I'm going to deepen up the outer corner first. Oh my gosh, this purple. What is happening? And now I'm going in with James, which is bright white Flashback Mary, y'all. And it is a shimmer, so let's see how this looks. I'm super excited for this color. Ooh. Yes, that is so beautiful. This white is worth the entire palette. Right there. Holy crap. James is my favorite color. Sorry, y'all. I'm just gonna add a fun wing and some eyeliner, and I will be right back with both eyes done. Alright, you guys, here is the final look. I absolutely love it. It is gorgeous. This pigment is beautiful on these colors. That purple was absolutely incredible. All of the shimmers blended beautifully into each other. This white is my new favorite. I mean, it's beautiful. It worked as a highlighter. As you can see, it's very intense. The brow bone highlight was perfect. So, oh my gosh, I'm so happy with this first look, you guys. But wait until this second look. Ooh, I'm so excited! This is totally not wearable, by the way. This next look. I mean, if you want to be a sunflower. The one shade I wanted to use in this entire palette was Jenna. Because look how bright Jenna is. Like, holy crap, you guys. I'm gonna cut the crease so we can do this beautiful gold. I am going back in with Jenna, and I'm just going to deepen up this outer corner again. guys, it's so pretty. All right, so now for the special effects. I am going in with a gold liner right here, and then I'm going to do a black wing, and then I am going underneath with just some loose glitter, and the gold liner that I am using is Maybelline Master Precise Ink, and it is this gold shade right here. And I am going in with Wonder 2 Glitter Jelly. And on top of the jelly, I am just adding some loose gold glitters. I am going in with a blush that is orange. And I'm going to be putting this all over my face in like this area right here to make me look very like sun-kissed. I might need something more. Oh, that's cute. Oh, it's definitely sun-kissed. That's so cute. Okay, now I know this is weird, but I'm actually going in with a cream blush on top of this to brighten it up just a little bit, and I'm just going to tap it in with my finger. Yes! This looks so hilarious. I'm gonna poke my eye out with these nails. I look so sunburned. I know this looks super weird, but just bear with me. I am going in with his palette, and I am actually going back into Trisha, and I'm just gonna dust a little bit of gold right here. Ooh. Alright, I am going to add in some fake freckles to this, and then I will be back to do the highlighter. Now let's add some really blinding highlight. And what better to do this with than Nikki Tutorials glazed donut. What do you think of this look so far? Absolutely ridiculous or kind of cute? All right, now for lips. I'm going in with a thick layer of gloss and just a touch of red right in the middle to make them look juicy. I'm going to just go back in with this jelly and just tap it right here on my cheek. Well, that's not working. How do I do that? This is a very clear jelly, and it just leaves the glitter right on top. Ooh, I wish this was a lot more glitter, but whatever. I think it's cute. Like little glitter freckles. Oh, cute. All right, you guys, there we go. What do you think? I feel so cute. There is my 2 looks created with this palette. Let me know what you guys thought. And remember, if you do like this as much as I did, you guys can get this with 10% off with the code KEARA, Keara. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Brand new brand. My shirt keeps wanting to come off my body, so that's cool. Thanks, shirt. Appreciate it. I wish I had something glossier than this. Ugh. I hate gloss, though. I could eat. Ventriloquist. It's kind of creepy. And for one final touch, I am going to clean my fingers first. There we go! I mean, it's just, that just dropped all in my lap. I forgot to put the cap on. Ew! I feel so cute. Look at my lips.